Hi guys, and welcome to this week's overview. And this is our first week in our new online format. So please let me know if you do have any questions or if you're running into any difficulties. Again, let me just remind you that if you are having some technical issues, IT may be able to step in and help you out. Um, Anything that relates to the class, please let me know. Send me a text, an email, and I'll be quick to respond to any problems you may have regarding course content. So this week, we need to finish up Unit 2. So we'll be looking at transfer of learning. And transfer of learning deals with positive transfer, negative transfer, and also bilateral transfer. And those concepts will be explained throughout the chapter. I have provided you my PowerPoint along with some notes. They're kind of guided notes, but they can get you started as you read through the chapter. I also have included a video lecture with questions. And actually, this is a video lecture by a visiting professor. So I hope you enjoy it. And the questions, again, there's not a lot of questions, but the questions should help you as you go through the content. Also help you as you prepare for our unit tests. We are not going to do the bilateral transfer lab, so you don't have to worry about that one. However, we are going to do the juggling lab for this week. So the juggling lab actually was in our last chapter when we talked about stages of learning. And the idea here is probably you do not know how to juggle, so you're going to teach yourself to juggle over a 5-day period. Read through the lab. If you have any questions, let me know. I've given you a short overview of the lab. But it asks for tennis balls, but if you don't have tennis balls, you can use anything to juggle. All right, you need 3 items to juggle, and you're going to teach yourself to juggle this week, starting on Monday, being 5 days, finishing it up on Saturday this week. So we will do that lab. I have omitted the bilateral transfer lab just to help you out for this first week back. So that is not going to be required. Also for chapter 13, we have the multiple choice quiz, which is very similar to what you've done in the past. So make sure you get your quiz done by the end of the day on Tuesday. For the tests this week, I provided you with a review section, and I would encourage you to go through that handout and answer those questions. I've also given you some directions about how to use HonorLock, and that's the platform we'll be using for proctoring your online exams. There's a little quiz for you to take. It doesn't count for any points, but it just makes sure that you understand the requirements. I think there's 3 questions, but after you read the directions, take the quiz, make sure you understand the proctoring platform we're using. And then Thursday, by the end of the day, you should have logged in and taken unit test number 2. Now, unit test number 2 is very similar format to unit test number 1. There'll be a section of true, false, multiple choice type questions, and then the essay questions will be online, and you'll write your responses in the online format. That's the only change from unit test 1 to unit test 2. I want to encourage you to get back into the swing of things. I know that this is a very stressful time for many of you. I'm here to help you. I want you to be successful as we continue our course together. I think I've made some changes in order to help you be more successful. But again, if I can help, just send me an email, give me a call. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can.